Vovo.pk, and I have received a cleansing solution and a face mask. The cleansing solution is worth 2,000 rupees and this is worth 2,100, but it has 5 sheets, so totally worth it. So this is the packaging. It's pretty basic. It's white, but all the white products, they said that it is water-based and it contains tea, polyphenols, propylene glycol, snail secretion filtrates. These are all very natural and very mild on skin. So because of the acne that I'm facing right now, I'm totally shifting to organic things and leaving behind all the chemicals. So the best thing in this that I have read, as far as I know in the first impressions, is that it contains phenoxyethanol. Phenoxyethanol, for those of you who do not know, it has antibacterial capability, and the antibacterial, actually it kills your acne. Has bacteria, it's a bacterial infection. So to get rid of the acne, I think phenoxyethanol is going to play a very good role. So I'm really looking forward to this.